In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Grok AI remember your conversations. By the end, you'll have Grok set to personalize responses based on what you've talked about before so it can follow your preferences and save you time. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your favorite search engine. Type Grok AI into the search bar. In the results, look for the official Grok link. It should point to grok.com. Click that to open the site. This is the safest way to get to the correct page without bookmarking it ahead of time. Once Grok loads, look toward the bottom left corner of the page. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click it. This opens the account menu where you can manage how Grok behaves for you. From this menu, select Settings. Settings is where all the important preferences live, including privacy and data-related controls. If you don't immediately see what you need, don't worry, we're going right to the exact place next. Inside Settings, find and click Data Controls. This section centralizes features that govern what Grok can store and use to personalize your experience. It's designed to be straightforward so you always know what's on and what's off. Within Data Controls, look for the option labeled something like Personalize Grok with your conversation history. This is the key setting that lets Grok remember context from past chats. When it's enabled, Grok can recall details you've shared before, like your goals or preferences, so it can be more helpful without you repeating yourself. Now, turn this option on. You should see a toggle switch change to indicate that it's active. A few quick tips to make the most of it. Give Grok clear signals in your conversations. If you want it to remember something, state it plainly, like, I prefer concise summaries or I'm working on a weekly budget. The model uses these cues to tailor future answers. If at any point you prefer not to have conversations influence personalization, you can come back to the same data controls page and turn the setting off. Also, be mindful of what you share. Even with personalization enabled, it's best practice to avoid entering sensitive personal details in chat. If you ever want to reset things, look in Data Controls for options to review or clear stored data. That's it. You've successfully enabled Grok to remember your conversations, helping it respond more accurately to your needs over time. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more personalized Grok experience.